Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new to the channel, we dive into everything beauty related with honest, in-depth reviews, and today we're checking out the Master Massage 30-inch Montour LX portable massage table package with 3-inch memory foam. This foldable spa bed claims to be both lightweight and strong, ideal for professional massage therapists and beauty professionals on the go. Let's see if it truly lives up to the hype. First, let's break down the specs. This portable massage table measures 30 inches in width and 84 inches in length, weighing just 34 pounds. It's made for professionals needing something that's both easy to transport and durable enough for daily use. It's constructed with a 3-inch thick multi-layer small cell foam, including a layer of memory foam designed to offer superior cushioning. The table's weight capacity is impressive, supporting up to 650 pounds, thanks to its stable duoplane TM hinges and clevis black leg attachments. The upholstery is made of dove gray PU, which is oil and water resistant and CFC-free, reinforced with a denim-like backing for added durability. Now, let's talk real-world usage. Setting up this table is straightforward, thanks to the stabilizer bar and quick-set leg knobs. The auto-lock leg system ensures that everything stays in place, providing a stable surface for your clients. The memory foam face cushion and adjustable face cradle made the experience much more comfortable for me during testing. The included arm shelf is nicely padded too, making it easy to keep your clients relaxed during extended sessions. The added carrying case is a great bonus, especially for professionals who need to move it around often. So what's good about the Montour LX portable massage table? First, the comfort is undeniable. The 3-inch memory foam makes it perfect for long massage sessions, both for the client and for the professional using it. Stability is another standout feature. It doesn't wobble or creak under pressure, which is crucial when you have clients who need that steady, secure surface. And let's not forget about the easy setup. You won't be wasting time trying to assemble anything complicated before a session. However, it's not all perfect. While the table is lightweight, it may still be a bit bulky for those with limited space. Also, while the design is sleek, the dove gray color may not be for everyone, depending on your business's aesthetic. Lastly, while the table supports a high weight limit, it's worth noting that portability could be challenging for those who need to move it often. Now let's consider the value. At this price point, you're getting a high-quality, durable table that includes extras like the ergonomic face cradle, memory foam cushion, and arm shelf. These additions really elevate the overall package. Compared to similar products, this table strikes a nice balance between functionality, comfort, and design, offering solid support for both clients and therapists alike. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are tables that might be less expensive, but with fewer features. As far as build quality goes, Master Massage has really delivered on this one. The craftsmanship is solid, and the materials are high-end for a portable table. From the upholstery to the construction, this table feels like it could last for years with proper care. When it comes to customer service, Master Massage is known for their reliability and long-term support, which is important, especially for a product like this. The 5-year after-sales service for the upholstery is a nice touch, offering peace of mind for any potential issues. In terms of alternatives, there are cheaper portable tables out there, but many may lack the extra cushioning or weight capacity this table offers. If you want a balance of quality and portability, this one is hard to beat. To wrap it up, the Montour LX portable massage table excels in comfort, stability, and ease of use. If you're a massage therapist or a beauty professional who needs a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-transport table, this one is definitely worth considering. It offers excellent value for its price, especially when you factor in the added accessories and the solid craftsmanship. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other beauty and wellness enthusiasts can find this video. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or thoughts about the Montour LX, feel free to share them in the comments below. You can also find the link to grab this table in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay relaxed, and keep enjoying what makes you feel your best here on Beautyistic.